Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your connection is not private on Google Chrome. So this actually looks like this when you're trying to enter a specific website and this pops up. It's kind of frustrating, but we'll go ahead and try to fix this. So there is an advanced option in here wherein you'll need to proceed to this website in here, but it doesn't actually work. So what you need to do is to type on your keyboard, this is unsafe. So I'll type it in here, and then press enter, and you will be able to enter the specific website. So this is just a random website that I'm trying to enter with, but basically I was able to enter on this website that is having an error a while ago. And just to make sure, let's try to open it on a private window. And as you can see in here, as your Google Chrome remembers, you'll be able to enter the specific website. And that's how to fix your connection is not private on Google Chrome. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.